Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to delete a message in a Telegram group on PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, go to the group conversation you want from the chat list. Now right-click on the message you want to delete. From the options that appear, click on Delete. In the pop-up window, you have the option to delete the message for yourself or also delete it for the contact you are chatting with. If you want to delete it for both, make sure to check the box that says Also Delete for contact's name. Finally, click on Delete to permanently remove the message. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a message in a Telegram group on PC. Deleting messages in a group chat can help you manage the conversation and maintain privacy. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.